What's going on, guys? Tim here coming at you from the old number 7 garage. Brian back there running the camera. So today, on this episode, we're going to finish the sail panels, pillar post, roof. Done on today's episode. Strap in and let's go. What's the plan tonight? We'll just we'll come up from that 3.5, make another mark, and then okay, so we know where this is going to land. We can just go like this, and then right at the very end. I just want a small swoop at the end, but we know the length. This and this can be marked, and then like the end, and then we know where the end's at. We'll go up 3.5 until we get down to here.
That off.
Yeah. I'll hold it. Just mark here, through here, all across this, and in the back.
You need to flatten that out, get a good mark on it?
Yeah, better. Hammered it. I got some money in my pocket going ding-a-ling-a-ling. So what we're marking out here on this new sheet is going to be the sides of the roof. We're going to do one side different. This side's going to be taller than the other side. And this side's also, the total length is going to be shorter. Because if you remember in the video we did last time, we turned the roof, remember? Because the decking is going like this on both sides. So when you turn the roof, you actually pull that corner this way. So that's going to make that a longer run than this. So it's very important. The bodies aren't symmetrical, so don't take it for granted that this side is going to be the same as that. So we're going to mark this out, we're going to cut it, and then we'll show you what it looks like on the car, maybe. But I didn't really elaborate on these too much either, but basically it's going to be your posts. And what we did on these is we did a 1/2 inch right here and put a 90 on it, so that way we can see the marks here. We did this, the shrink, we shrunk it down so it actually puts a slight bend in it, and that's a really strong piece. And just a little styling cue, you know, you can do them any way you want, but I always like them when they come down to a point right there at the bottom of the body or the top of the decking, come to a point, and then just to, you know, however you wanted to do that, but that's how we do it. All right, I'm going to show you how to cut a very nice crisp edge where you don't have any waviness, which you get on the shears like I got. So we'll do this sometimes, and it really makes a nice cut. So what we do is we make a mark where we want this cut. We put it in the brake because this is a very straight edge. So he's going to run his razor blade down through here and score the edge of this sheet metal. And don't break the tip.
Never.
Did you break the tip?
Nope.
Nope, he didn't break the tip. He's going to go right down through here. And he messed up a little bit, but we won't hold it against him. Hard to keep it just right.
It is hard to keep it right on that edge.
Yes, it is. You're going to do that a couple times. And then we're going to flip the whole piece over and mark it where we scored it. We're just going to take the brake, bend it up, and we'll grab a hold of it, bend it down, and it's going to pop it. We'll cut the plastic. Be a great edge for other than when Brian screwed it up, right? But no, it'll be a really good edge, a really good, nice, crisp brake, and a good cut. No wavy action at all. So there's your little tip in this video. We're going to pull this out. We're going to eyeball this edge. See where we scored that with the knife? We're going to transfer that onto the bottom because we got to flip it over and make a little bend. So here I go with a camera in my hand, marking this. Now I got a reference point where that needs to be on that side. I'll take and do the same here. Find where we were cutting it. And don't screw the plastic up. There, now we got two marks. We'll flip it over. Lay it in here, right on those marks. When we bend it, it's going to snap it off. There it went. So then we just pull it down, and he's going to run a blade across that because the plastic's still on this. He's going to run a blade across it. There you go. There's you a nice crisp cut. We'll lay it down here and look at it. There you go. No waves or nothing. Tip of the day. Well, there you have it, guys. There is one side done, minus our favorite part, the sail panel. No kidding. That's how we did it. Hope you guys find it helpful. There you go, fellas. All right, guys. Glad you guys stayed tuned. It was very daunting to get that crap done, but we did it. So all we got left: sail panels, doors, quarters, right?
That's right.
That's it. All right, with that being said, we're going to sign off for tonight. And found a spot for one of our banners. We'll see how that works. Anyway, like I said, thank you guys very much for stopping by. Make sure you like the video. And like I said, that just lets YouTube know we're good old fellers over here. Subscribe down below, somewhere over here. And we'll catch you probably tomorrow, all right? We'll see you then. So here's what we got, fellas. This is 1/4 panel cutout, and then we got the other one cut out.
It's almost helpful.
What? That is not a 1/4 panel. Why are you always correcting me? That's not cool. It is cool. Somebody got to keep me in line. There's Kim over there. She ain't keeping me in line. What are you waving at? All right. So anyway, the sail panels, like Brian said, we have to get these finished, and we did a lot of ciphering here, didn't we? More of that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically we had to do a lot of reverse engineering to figure out how we wanted this, and I didn't film it, so I'm so sorry about that, but we didn't. But we got, this is the front of the quarter sail panel. So what you're gonna see us doing now, we're gonna get it hemmed up, and then we gotta put a roll in it, right? So it's not just gonna go straight down. It doesn't work like that. We've gotta get it where it goes just like that. Nice little roll in it. So that's what you're gonna watch us do. So here we go. Journeying out of the shop over here in the abyss to a world where there's a telephone pole, where we find Brian rubbing on a pole. What is he doing? What are you doing over here, man? I've come out here to go to the bathroom and you over here hugging this pole.
Whatever.
So, I mean, is that gonna work?
I don't know.
Well, you need to do it the whole length. Probably like right about there. Now that's where the roll needs to happen. So what we're doing, we're trying to get a natural curvature in this sail panel, and all we got is this daggum telephone pole. So, buddy, I like it. I like it, but is it enough?
I don't know. I ain't no way to tell until you put it back on there.
I don't know how you'd tell. I think we're gonna try. You gonna give her a little more?
Yeah, right there and it'll kink it.
Don't you kink it. Don't you kink it.
Wanna
go try it? I think we don't need to do that bead roller thing. I think we just need to wrap it around that pole.
I think so.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in there. It'll be about a mile hike back to the shop. Huh. So we're walking back out to this forming device. I mean, you use what you got, right? It needs a lot. You just gonna keep going, bud. It's
You want it all in one spot?
I don't care. You do whatever you think's right. It needs to be quite a bunch.
It's quite a bunch.
That looks pretty cool. Let's go test it. I think we found our new working device over there, didn't you? I wish it was a little closer.
Yeah. It'll be alright.
They're probably about 35 steps from the shop. Don't tell the power company. We're not defacing county property or nothing. See how she fits. You can see, fellas, she's got quite the roll to her. How's that? You think it'd work?
Guaranteed it'll work.
Guaranteed it'll work.
Guaranteed.
A1 guarantee?
A1. You bet.
Well, then let's just stick a fork in that one. Let's take that other one out there and jazz it up a little bit.
Yep.
You got it on the right side, you got it on the wrong side. Said you got it on the right side? Oh, it looked like the, you know what I mean? Don't mind me, I'm just standing here with teeth in my head.
About right in there, I think.
I think it looks great. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. What do you think?
I don't know how much it needs.
Go just a fuzz more. I mean, fuzz. I think that's perfect. If it's too much, we'll just stomp on it. Yeah? Just romping and stomping.
You bet. We'll stomp it.
That's a nice suitcase you got there.
Fairly large.
What can you get in there?
Not a whole lot. It's pretty thin.
like a crepe?
Yeah, like one of the thin pancakes.
Well, there you go. We got her buttoned up. It is on there. It's final. It ain't moving, even if you wanted it to. So that's how that all works. Brian over there getting beat up by a dog. Show him who's boss. Oh, lucky. I think it turned out real good, guys. Got that nice telephone pole arch in it. Just there's your tip right there. You need to make your sail panels. You see, I mean, it flows real good. I'm very happy with the results. Just find what you got laying around the house to use. So it's all done. We're gonna do the other one off camera because it's just gonna be the same as what we're doing here, but get you back a little bit. I think it turned out real nice. It almost looks like a station wagon, but that's what we got. So with that, we're gonna wrap the video up. All right, with that being said, guys, make sure that you like the video if you like what you're seeing, and drop a comment down below. If you think of anything that we missed on that, or just a general question you got, just holler at us. Make sure to follow Tim Nash Racing on Facebook. Go to that shop button, that'll get you the t-shirts, hats, or hoodies. So until next time, keep it between the ditches.